nigga Jeffrey be booking that shit. Look at these niggas. Look at this guy, motherfucking takeover CEO, my man Boosie. Lil Ray punched that shit. Alright, right now niggas going 75. Come on, I know them niggas want to juice it. Go. There you go. Come on. Alright, I'm going 90 right now. Niggas slowing down, hitting these turns. Nigga Jeff gone. I don't know where my nigga Ace at in the truck. This guy. Hey, brother! This nigga still gone.